Okay, in this video I will show you how to use the Forex Reverse System with the other expert advisors to reverse their trades. Okay, I assume you have set up the Forex Reverse System and it's all up and running. Okay, you can watch this how to set it up on my previous video. So let's start the Forex Reverse System. Let's start the sender. And let's start the receiver. Okay. There you go. Okay, now on GBP USD chart, 1 hour, doesn't matter, the time frame doesn't matter, we have sender. Okay, now we want to attach the expert advisor, so we open any chart that we need. Let me close this. Let me close the other chart so quickly. Okay, open. Let's say we want to use Euro USD and we want to use WOC expert advisor. I mean, the trades of this WOC will be reversed. Okay, so we set everything up. Make sure you have a smiley face. That's it. Okay, whenever this WOC trades, all these trades will be reversed on your receiver. Okay, and the very most important thing, you do not attach another sender. Okay, one sender will do the job. Okay, so you have one sender and you can attach as many expert advice as you want, and this one sender will reverse all of them. Okay, that's the most common mistake I've seen in many people's meta trading. So don't do this mistake. One is enough. If you want to use another one, just open the chart and then just, let's say, the Forex program, Forex. Everything is okay. Smiley face. That's it. Whenever this EA trades, then the Forex Reverse System automatically reverses all the trades. Okay, and that's it. Okay, again, if you have any questions, please contact me and I will help you to clear any issues. Okay, thank you and enjoy your Forex Reverse System.